Hello viewer, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use MIN and MAX function in MS Excel. In the subsequent videos I will keep on adding more on Microsoft Excel. I would request you to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell and embark on a journey of continuous learning. So let's start in Microsoft Excel. You can use the MIN and MAX functions to find the minimum and maximum values in a range of cells respectively. Min function. The MIN function returns the smallest value in a set of values. The syntax is as follows. Max function. The max function on the other hand, returns the largest value in a set of values. The syntax is as follows. Using MIN and MAX together. You can also use the MIN and MAX functions together to find the range between the minimum and maximum values. Syntax is as follows. These functions are helpful for quickly identifying the smallest and largest values in a dataset in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate me so that I can bring more content on Microsoft Excel.